Hello again and welcome again to my channel. We are back in a bull market with Bitcoin at all-time high. Ethereum and altcoins are following, and as a result, meme coins are also gaining more exposure. In this video, I will talk about the most important part of any trade, your exit strategy. As a trader, it's extremely important to know when to sell your coins to lock in your profits. I assume you already know how to buy and sell meme coins on Solana. If you're new and want more information on how to get started, check out my other videos on my channel or download my free meme coin trading book from Gumroad. The link is below the description. So let's say you found a promising new meme coin. You got in early and now the chart is going vertical and you are sitting on some juicy unrealized gains. But as any experienced trader will tell you, a profit isn't a profit until you sell. The timing of your sell is critical, so here is how to master the art of the exit. Before you make any move, it's good to ask yourself some questions. First, is the meme coin project legit or is it just another pump and dump scam? Don't just look at the price, look at the meme coin utility instead. Is there a real organic community behind it? The strength of the meme will often tell you how far the project can go. Then there's also your personal position. Did you get in early or are you holding a bag that you bought at the top? Your exit strategy has to change depending on your entry point. A massive profit and a massive loss require completely different approaches. And then there's also the price of Solana. Because most meme coins are traded against Solana, their value is directly tied to it. When Solana is pumping, it's a great time to trade because everyone's risk appetite is high. But when Solana starts to dump, your meme coins are likely to follow. Now let's look at the three most common exit scenarios. Scenario 1 is the massive pump. This is the one we all dream of. You get in early and the project is going to the moon. The best way to handle this isn't to wait for a specific price to sell all your coins. Instead, focus on selling your initial position first. You can do it in one move or sell in pieces like 25% increments as the price goes up. If you use Axiom, which is the fastest meme coin trading bot, you can do this by clicking the Sell Initial button. This lets you secure your initial investment and take some profits while still keeping a portion of your trade in the game for a bigger run. If you want to use Axiom, you can use my link in the description below and you will get a small discount on your trading fees, so check it out. Let's, for example, say that you bought a token called Axiom for 10 Solana. It is now trading at 5x. Instead of being greedy and waiting for a 10x, you could scale out and take a partial profit. Set a limit order to sell 25% of your position at 5x. This locks in your initial investment, so from this point on you are playing with house money. To protect your remaining position, you can set a stop loss order on the remaining 75% of your tokens at a price slightly above your break-even point. This way, if the price drops, you have at least recouped your initial capital and let the rest ride. Allow the remaining position to continue for a potential moonshot with the peace of mind that your downside is protected. Watch out for psychological levels. These are big round numbers like a market cap of 100,000, 500,000 or 1 million. Many traders will sell their position just before these numbers, creating a lot of pressure on the price, so it's crucial to keep an eye on these important levels. Exit scenario 2 is the pullback. A pullback is when a token with a huge run-up starts to drop. A pullback after a price movement to the upside is normal, and this is where you can use technical analysis tools to find out if it's the end of the line or just a temporary dip before a bigger comeback. I like to use indicators like the RSI, which tells you if a token is overbought or oversold. The Bollinger Bands and the MACD show you the momentum and the possible direction of the price based on the recent market situation. Another powerful tool is the Fibonacci retracement. It helps you predict where the price might drop to before it bounces back. Meme coins often retrace at the 0.786 Fibonacci level, but this only works if there is a lot of trading activity and attention on the meme coin. And then we have scenario 3, where you are holding a bag of coins, which happens if you don't set a stop loss. If the meme coin you bought at the top crashes 90% or more, the first step is to figure out the floor, which is the price where remaining holders are no longer selling. If there is no potential for the project to ever recover, maybe it was a scam or the project is dead, it's better to just sell what you have left and cut your losses. However, if the meme coin has a strong community and a good narrative, it might be worth holding on. Sometimes a token will get a second wind, perhaps from an influencer or a real-world event that brings attention back to it. An example is the Canada token, which saw a surge in price every time the joke about Canada becoming the 51st state was mentioned again. At the end of the day, trading comes down to one thing: having a plan and sticking to it. Just don't let your emotions take over. Meme coins are extremely volatile, and you can lose all your money if you don't do your research first. By having a clear strategy, you can avoid a lot of the stress that comes with trading meme coins. If you plan to trade Solana coins, I recommend Axiom. It's not just a great platform for finding and buying promising tokens, it's a full-featured trading bot designed for high-speed trading on Solana, and as one of the only exchanges, it comes with a free Twitter and wallet tracker to help you decide which meme coins are popular in the community and worth to trade. Connecting to Axiom is straightforward. Use my link in the description below to visit the right website, click Connect Wallet and approve the connection through your Phantom Wallet extension. Once connected, your wallet balance will be shown on the top right. If you need a more detailed guide, I recommend you to watch my Axiom tutorial video on my channel. I will leave the link below in the description. The simplest way to buy or sell a token is with a market order. Select your meme coin, input the amount of Solana you want to buy and hit the buy button. The transaction will execute at the current market price. The same goes for selling. Open the sell tab and proceed from there. It's the fastest way to get in or out of a position, which can be crucial when a token is plummeting. Axiom has many advanced features too. You can set limit buy and sell orders, so you don't need to sit in front of your computer all the time. But the take profit and stop loss tool is perhaps the most important feature for any trader to automate your risk management. Axiom allows you to quickly check your portfolio. It rewards you with free Solana if you trade on the exchange, and there is also a flash sale and instant trade tool. In a market where speed is everything, you sometimes need to exit right now. The instant trade tool is designed for this. With a single click next to a token chart, you can quickly sell to minimize your losses if a token you bought turns out to be a rug pull or if sentiment suddenly shifts. Remember to connect your wallet securely and always use stop loss orders. Taking profits is just as important as finding the right entry. Okay, that's all for this video. What's your go-to strategy for selling your coins? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and stay safe.